Language. A language is a system of communication which consists of a set of sounds and written symbols which are used by the people of a particular country or region for talking or writing. While most people use language every day, it can be a tricky concept to define accurately. Essentially, language is a term of any complex communication system used by humans that consists of words and phrases that, when combined, can create infinite variable utterances. How humans initially develop language is not fully clear and is something that linguists are still researching. Most humans learn at least one language in early childhood. If a person lacks exposure to language as a young child, they will never be able to fluently learn a language as a language. Exactly. Okay. As an adult, because of how we, wait, i-ano natin, if a person lacks exposure to language as a young child, they will never be able to fluently learn a language as an adult because of how human brain development works. When people use language, they can understand each other because they belong to the same speech community. They understand each other because in their speech community, people share the same set of rules in the language system. While growing up, people acquire the languages used by those in the community. Characteristics of language. To identify human beings. Did you know human language is different from animal language? They talk about things connected to their biological needs and talk about something which are remote in space and time. Language criterion of human are the sound produced by humans are varied. A person can pronounce such vowels as a, I, U, E, O, or consonants like B, T, D, M, etc. Accordingly, only human beings own and use language, which is regarded as a human criterion, whereas animals or many other species do not. Number two, language is systematic. Language must be set according to a certain definite pattern so that utterance can be understood. Example, father might come tomorrow with hope. See, it does not make any sense because the signaling units of words here are not arranged accordingly to a characteristic patterns in English. And the correct way is, my father will come home tomorrow. Number three, language is said to be arbitrary. In language arbitrary, there is no logical necessary relation between words and their meanings. Example, in English, goat, in Japanese, videos, in Indonesian, kambing. That is just what English, Japanese, and Indonesian people agree among themselves to name the animal in their own respective language. 4. Language is always spoken. All human beings, whereas they live, always speak a language, although they do not have any writing system to record their language. Language is a system of symbol, rholism is implied here, meaning form. Number 5. Language is said to be social. The use of language enables the members of a social group, which involves at least two, the speaker and the hearer. The use of language enables the member of a social group to cooperate with one another for their own benefits. Lastly, number 6, language is said to be complete. It is not like animals' means of communication. Animals can only communicate about things that are related to their biological needs. Language is indeed a complex human capacity. It is, therefore, important to be aware of its features and behavior to be able to use language more effectively and productively in communicating with others.